Fix Forza Horizon load failed error code E0-c0 on PC. By 1. Restart the game in PC, close Forza Horizon completely, restart your computer, launch the game again, check if save data loads correct. 2. Check internet connection, make sure internet is stable, restart your router, disable VPN or proxy, relaunch the game. Sign out and back into Xbox account, open Xbox app, sign out of your Microsoft account, restart Xbox app, sign back in, launch Forza Horizon again. Number 4, verify game files, open Steam or Xbox app, go to Game Library, right-click Forza Horizon, open Properties, click Verify Integrity of Game Files, wait for repair process. 5. Sync save data again, launch the game, wait on syncing screen, do not close the game during sync, allow cloud save to finish completely. 6. Reset Xbox app, open settings, go to apps, installed apps, find Xbox app, open advanced options, click repair, if needed, click reset. 7. Reinstall gaming services, open PowerShell as administrator, run get appx package microsoft.gaming services, remove appx package -losers restart PC, install gaming services again from Microsoft Store. 8. Delete temporary cache files, press Windows R, type %10%, delete temporary files, empty recycle bin, restart system. 9. Update Windows and Xbox app. Open Windows Update, install latest updates, open Microsoft Store, update Xbox app and gaming services, restart PC. 10. Restore or rebuild. Save files. Go to Forza save location, backup current save files, delete corrupted save cache if needed, relaunch game to resync cloud saves, wait for save recovery process.